How to make money online for free. There's no gimmicks here, there's no scam. It's how you are going to be able to make money online for free and have a reputable business. What's going on, everybody? Let's dive into this, because if you're watching this video, you need to learn how to make money, you need to learn how to make it fast. So let's spend our time talking about the solution. Alright, so when it comes to the world of online, there are so many opportunities. But what we're looking at is ways that you can start generating an income, a really good income. It could be a side hustle. This side hustle money could be to cover one bill, gas, maybe for a date. Or if this is something, if you decide to do this, you can make this more serious and bring in a substantial front-loaded income. And when I'm saying about substantial income, I'm talking $250,000 plus, a doctor's income, with what we're going to be talking about today. So, by the way, if that doesn't get you excited, this might not be the video for you, because I'm going to be showing you exactly what you can do, and I mean exactly what you can do. After you watch this video, it's going to tell you the exact steps of what you can do to go out and create income, just like I have, and just like I've helped lots of other people. So first, let's talk about what you need. One of the first things you're going to need is this, because we have to talk about requirements. Number one, do you have an ability to create a video? Like literally with the thing that you're watching on right now, do you have a cell phone camera? Do you have a way that people can hear your voice? Number one. Number two, make sure that you have some sort of social media. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're like, well, I don't want to do social media. Just hear me out. You don't even have to show your face. But you do need to have social media. Instagram or TikTok, Facebook or YouTube. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. Those are the big four. With Facebook and Instagram, they need to be Facebook business accounts. I'm not saying that you have to do business there, but they need to be Facebook business accounts in order for this to work. Just got to let you know now. And the last thing about it is, do you know what Amazon is? If you're familiar with Amazon.com, I'm telling you right now, if you have those three requirements, a cell phone so you can take videos and record videos, number two, having a social media account, and number three, if you know what Amazon is, those are all the things that you need. That is all you're going to need in order for you to get this started. As long as you have those three, keep on listening. All right, and I think that's going to be a large majority of people here in the YouTube world. So next up, what is going to happen is I want to talk to you about the beautiful world of Amazon Influencer Program. Now, for some of you all who've never done anything like this in online marketing, don't worry, I will make it very simple for you. Amazon Influencer Program is a program where you make review videos. These videos can range from 1 to 2 minute review videos about products that you already know, love, and have in your house. No, I'm not asking you to become a spokesperson, but if you happen to have headphones, by you making a 1 to 2 minute video about this can bring you in hundreds of dollars. And I'm not just saying that just to say it, I'm telling you that because it's what people are making. But as long as you have that ability to be able to say, whether you're on camera yourself or not, you can just film it. You could be making a really great commission. I'm going to be showing you exactly how. Influencer Program is a way for you to make money off of your very hard-earned reviews, aka this has been my experience with this product, here's why I think you should buy that. By you doing videos like that, you can get started in an affiliate commission. An affiliate commission is giving someone a suggestion about a product they should buy based upon your recommendation. In exchange for them purchasing through that exact link that brought them to that product, you earn a commission. You find a product, you make a video for the product, and this product is something that you have in your house. Remember, this is free. You don't have to go out there and buy the product. You find a product in your home, make a review video about it, and then from there, Amazon puts that video on their website, on Amazon.com. Billions of dollars are made on Amazon every year. They put that video on their website. If someone clicks that video and watches it, you make a commission off of it, because people watch that video and they made a purchase, therefore you get paid off of it as well. It's literally that simple. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this, and it's not that complicated. You can do this in 3 really simple steps. And by the way, if this is something that you might say, hey, this is too complicated, or maybe I could be going too fast, right in the description box down below, I've got a guy that can show you exactly how to do that to retell all of these steps. But it's really simple. You can do this as simple, honestly, as 1, 2, 3. Number one, what you want to do is to go into Google and type in Amazon Influencer Program, which you can see right here. Just type that right into your search bar. Now, it's going to bring up lots of different suggestions and things like that, but what I want you to pay attention to is right here. This is the sweet spot. And you're going to sign up for the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, what's going to happen, depending on if you're signed in or not, you will also need an Amazon account. I forgot to say that at the beginning. Don't worry, it's not complicated at all to sign up. You can even do it and sign up for it right here. You can sign into your Amazon account here, or you could go ahead and if you've already signed up, you sign in, you can sign in from there. And then what we're going to do is you're going to go from the prompts. and I'm act like I'm going to sign up. You could create a new account or you could use an existing account. And what you're going to do is follow the prompts for you to get this process started. And what's happening is you're getting started with the Amazon Associates program. This is the gateway to get started for the Amazon Influencer program for on-site commissions, what I was just speaking about. With this Amazon Associates program, what you can do is start earning cash by referring people to products that you already purchased. And the way you do this is that you can use links that you get to create on your dashboard. Once you sign up using that Amazon affiliate program link, and when you're going to create your account, you're going to follow the prompts and connect it to that social media that I was talking about earlier, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. What that's going to do is going to give you access once you're approved into that program so you can start sharing links to products that you already love, that you already purchased. Now, for those of you all who want to continue and start really getting to the bigger bucks, Amazon Associates is just the beginning. You can make a really good income there as well. Amazon Influencer on-site commissions is where the big bucks are made, but you can still make really good money with Amazon Associates, which I'm talking about right now, how you get started. Once you sign up for that, you can share your links to products. If you have a blog, if you have a website, this is a great way for you to share with people, as well as sharing these links with your followers and people that you have on social media. The Amazon Influencer Program is a great way for you to start making money today for free. The only thing you're going to need is to make sure, and I totally did not say this at the beginning, I'll admit that, is you need to make sure you have an Amazon.com account. Something that's really simple to make, and I just kind of walked you through how to set that up. You also need to make sure that you have social media. Don't forget Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Those are the 4 big platforms. And with Facebook and Instagram, they need to be set as business accounts. Those are requirements to be in the program. Now, if you decide to go on to Amazon Influencer for on-site commissions, or if you decide to stay with those Amazon Associates, there's still a lot of money to be made with both of those programs. I'm going to be making a part 2 of this where I show you how to go from Amazon Associate to get you going up to Amazon Influencer for on-site commissions. But I'm going to make that video at a little bit later time. But for now, I want to show you part 1 of how you can start making money online fast today. And once you're approved into that program, boom, you can start sharing those links and start earning a commission. It's a wonderful program to be on. And thank you all for taking the time to watch this and learn some more about it. And by the way, if you like content like this, check these videos out here at Amazing Amazon. I'll be showing you exactly how you can make more money a lot faster.